Countries by percentage of the Earth's surface.
You may kind of...
Somebody said cotton candy. Did you taste any cotton candy?
You know what? The first initial taste.
It's not bad, actually, cotton candy. Now that he said it, I'm like tasting it a lot more.
Space is is actually made of cotton candy.
Oh, yeah?
That's the fabric of
So
space.
sugar everywhere?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Let's see here. And oh my goodness gracious, yeah, look at that. I love what you've done here. The way that they've done this infograph, what you're seeing laid out in this circular structure is how much of the world is made up of what? Starting, of course, with 43% being made up of the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
And then another 27% being made up of sea ice. Is that right?
Yes.
During part of the year. So that's even, you could add that to the ocean. Good Lord. If you add that to the ocean, what are you looking at? 70% of the world? What was it? 43?
43.
Around 70%.
Get out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Get out of here. Get out of town. It's a lot of water. But we already do that. Then we get Antarctica. 2.75%. It's always underrepresented on the map that you look at. You're like, what? A little sliver down there. No, not sliver. Much bigger. It's the map playing tricks the way they do maps.
Uh-huh.
You ever seen these people try to accurately represent the scale of things on maps, but it doesn't look good? So then they're like, well, we got to fit it in. Who cares about scale?
Mm-hmm.
It is 0.3% of the Earth's surface in Antarctica. 1,610,000 kilometers squared. Next, we have Russia, 3.34%. Canada, 1.96%.
Are you surprised with Canada? I mean, it's big, but...
Not that big? Oh, it's big. No. She big.
It's bigger than China.
She big. Yeah. Got a lot of land, Will. Wait till you get your Bronco. You'll see.
He'll be out.
You'll see.
Out and about.
Canada, China, United States, Brazil, Australia, India, Argentina, Kazakhstan, Algeria. I mean, this might surprise you. I like how they fit it all in there.
Uh-huh.
And obviously not every single country is represented, but it gives you an idea. The rest of the world occupies another chunk at the very bottom. So you can see exactly where you sneak in there. But there's a lot of land, but there's a hell of a lot more water.
Mm-hmm.
Start thinking about it like that, man. Yeah. Well done, Will. Exactly what we need right now.
Yeah, that's fun.
After our space drink.